afternoon, everybody. I am Roshita Pandey. I am the branch director at MAFS, and I will be one of the MCs today.
And I am Radhika Subramanian, Public Benefit Specialist for MAFS, and I will be co-MCing with Roshita Pandey.
So, round of applause for us too. Thank you. And first of all, thank you so much for joining us today. And it's a great day. It's a very special month. I want to share with you because May is what? What do we celebrate in May? It's the Asian American Heritage Month. I think that is very, very special and honor for all of us Asians because we celebrate the achievements, the contributions that not just you, but generations of Asian families have been making to the American, values and culture and history. So it's a great day for us, and I feel so honored that every year we do a mini fundraiser in this month and celebrate everything that we have achieved and this country has given us so far. And I'm also very proud to say that in its own way, MAFS has contributed to this process a lot. Because every year, for over 32 years, we have been empowering thousands of Asian immigrant families. Giving them all the services they need so that they can create a beautiful home away from home here in the United States. And what are our programs? I mean, all of you know it, but through programs like nutrition, public benefits, immigration, health, literacy, and we keep adding on to it, right? So through these programs, we provide those essential services that are needed not just to survive. Of course, you need food, water, all of it to survive. But these programs actually allow the families to thrive with dignity and pride in a foreign land. I think that is far more important, right? So that is the mission at MAFS. And, these programs we cannot run without what? Money? Okay, money sounds a little crass. Funds is a better word, I would say.
Donations.
Donations, funds. So, by joining us today and by, buying the ticket, you have actually contributed to a very good cause. You have contributed to your own growth and development in this country. So, thank you so much. And like every year, we have a great lineup of entertainment. I'm so proud to say that, today's performances, all cultural performances, songs and dance, is all going to be presented by our seniors and staff. And they have been practicing for months for it. They have been coming from different centers throughout Chicagoland to this central venue to practice every week. So a huge round of applause for our seniors. You are actually the star of our fundraisers, no one else, right? So thank you so much. And I would also like to welcome all our guests before we take this any further. Our precious MAFS board members, all of you, thank you so much. We have Mary Thorn, Streamwood Village Trustee. Thank you so much for coming, Mary. We are absolutely honored. We have Prayagraj Huleji, he's a Vedantic scholar, and a philosopher. We have Vandana Chingan, very well-known and renowned TV and media personality. We have Dr. Abhimanyu Kumar. He's a very learned professor of Ayurveda. And I will talk about, give a little bit of introduction. Actually, his introduction is very long, so I had a tough time shortening it. So welcome all of you. Thank you so much for being with us. And so let's begin the program without further ado.
I would now like to invite our founder and co-founder director, Mrs. Santosh Kumar, along with all our dignitaries for the Diya lighting, lamp lighting. Please come.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा
Thank you, Mrs. Kumar, our beloved Mrs. Kumar, and our board members, our dignitaries. That was a great gesture, and that's how we start all our events. Now I would like to call on our board secretary and Vice President, Dr. Asthana, to talk a few words about MAFS.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you, Roshika. Honorable guests today, CEO of MAFS, UMass, Dr. Santosh Kumar, and all the board members and dignitaries. I would like to extend a very hearty welcome, especially हमारे seniors के लिए जरा एक बार ताली बजा दीजिए, जोर से। इनकी वजह से हम लोग यहाँ हैं। इनको की सेवा करना, इनको संभालना, ये हमारा परम धर्म है। What I said in Hindi was that to serve these senior citizens of Chicagoland area, we are very much indebted to them for being with us and for performing the show today. MAFS has been in existence for 32 years and counting. So it's been a long time, a long innings, and we still continue with the same because we hope and pray that our seniors are well taken care of. I'm in the same age bracket now. I'm 73 years old, but still, I work for my seniors. I don't consider being one of them, but as a servant to them. So thank you so much for coming today, and all the best. And one little thing I want to give here is to our great Mr. Suresh Bodiwala, who has been so helpful and busy, and Vandana Jhinger of PBH. Thank you.
Thank you, Asthana ji. That was a wonderful short speech, and the fact that you recognize that we are here because of the seniors, that's amazing. Now I would like to call on Streamwood Village Trustee, Miss Mary Thorne, to say a few words.
thank you all so very, very much. I first was invited to attend a service here for Holi, and I had never attended one before, and I was so very blessed and honored. Dr. Kumar, you are so amazing. She's such a wonderful hostess, and she taught me so much. So for me, it's just such an honor and a blessing to be able to come here and celebrate with you all on your very special day. On behalf of the Village of Streamwood, I just want to let you all know we really acknowledge all the amazing work that you do for our community, for the seniors in our community. Thank you so very much, and thank you for letting me attend this wonderful ceremony. I feel very honored, very blessed. Thank you. Takes a lot of
Thank you, Ms. Mary Thorne, for your appreciative speech. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to give the podium over to Ms. Roshita, my co-MC.
Thank you, Radhika. So are we all ready to liven up the environment a little bit? Yes. All right. So let's start with the cultural performances. And the first performance is going to be done by Olin Park seniors. Now here's a fun fact about our Olin Park seniors. They are very quiet. They are very calm. There are just 25-30 of them in the ADS center. But look at how they will transition and transform when they come on stage and perform. So, you know, that's the beauty of our Olin Park seniors. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, no amount of clapping will actually do justice to the amount of effort these seniors have put into this performance for you all. And you know, while they are coming up, I will just read out the participants' name. So the theme of the dance is it's a worship dance. It's based on a Hindi Christian prayer song. And the participants are Rasila Kansara, Chhaya Marfatia, Jyoti Ben Shah, Chandrika Ben Patel, Kalavati Limbachia, Rinku Shah, Bhavna Master, Grishma Shah, Neeta Kansara, and Daksha Kansara. Come on up.
the same pose. Same pose in the front. Same pose in the front, please.
What a wonderful way to start the afternoon with a prayer song. They were so graceful. It was touching to watch them. Now our next bunch is from Niles. They are a very creative, discerning, and a lot of our seniors are very educated. They held big higher posts in India, then they came down, they decided to stay here, and they are using their talents to make their lives so much more pleasurable. And this particular group from Niles is now going to perform, ooh, I love this, romantic Gujarati melody. And the participants are Nargis Ayub, Rujuta Pancholi, Divyesh Pandya, Jayaben Patel, Priyanka Patel, Shantaben Patel, Vanita Ben Patel, and Ayub Yunus. The stage is all yours.
Thank you.
Wow. I've decided something. Dancing is better. I think emceeing is getting a little too boring. I'm going to probably be dancing next year. Okay, I do want to thank all our Nile seniors. You portrayed that song beautifully. Thank you once again. And we have our first donation for the afternoon. It is from our Naperville senior, Sushila Gupta's son and daughter-in-law. They are Ritesh Gupta and Rashmi Agarwal for $2,000. Thank you so much, Sushila ji and your family, for this wonderful amount. Thank you. And now I would like to call upon Roshita to introduce our next speaker. Okay, just for the appreciation of the dance, the Nile seniors have now decided to donate $500. Thank you so much, Nile seniors.
Wow. As a grants director, I couldn't have been more proud. You know, that's the what do I say, fallout of making grants director, you know, and a public benefit specialist, the MC for the evening. Because money and donation is going to excite us. Because we know that every single penny that's coming in today is going to be put to very good use for your development, right? So thank you everybody who's donating. And you know, I also have to say about the performance, it was so beautiful. I almost thought it's a Valentine's Day function. So, you know, it was love in the air and took me back 19 years ago when I got married. So, thank you so much, everybody. Wonderful. We have $200 from our board member, Dr. Rakesh Asthana, and his wife, Anjuji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And, you know, this should inspire everybody else to, you know, just donate and, you know, make our work possible so that we can do more and more good work. Now I want to invite on stage a very special person, Swami Prayagraj Huleji. We know him now, he's been visiting us for about a year. We've heard him recently. We did a corporate retreat here, very much here in Streamwood, Ayurvedic corporate retreat. I had the honor and pleasure of attending it for one day. I've heard his discourses. He's a Vedantic philosopher. He's an authority on the Vedas, and the way he makes the whole knowledge, text knowledge, practical and available for us to transform our lives, it's beautiful. So thank you so much, Prayagraj ji. Please say a few words to inspire us today.
Asian Heritage Day. We are proud to have so many Asian people amongst our American brothers and sisters. The word heritage is that which you pass on. The word heritage is that which you pass on to your children, is what they pass on to their children. So it's important to note, I have 3 minutes to talk, and I'm going to end in 3 minutes. 1 minute, the first minute I'm going to dedicate it to what is heritage in terms of power. In India and the world over, everybody wants power. We are proud to have America as the #1 power in the world. But what is it known as? Prosperity. It's known as its arms power. So power in Indian language is known as Shakti. Shakti comes from your actions. आप जैसे behave करते हो, आप जैसे अपने आप को treat करते हो, the way you behave, the way you act. You get a bone, one bone to 2 dogs. They'll be playing before that, but they'll dare each other if you get 1 bone. But I don't think anyone here, if you get 1 gulab jamun, and all of us are here, I think we will say, you please take it. I hope so. So Shakti comes from that power. That power comes from when you serve others. The moment you find yourself working for the interests of others, you get more power. But the moment you find yourself tired, lethargic, irritated, aggressive, there is something wrong in our actions. India is the oldest civilization in the world. It's a fact, whether you like it or not. The number 0 was invented in India. Pythagoras' theorem, a square plus b square equals c square, was invented in India. Plastic surgery was invented in India. Shampoo was invented in India. Steel was invented in India. Nobody could understand how steel was melted. These are facts. So, as Indians, wherever we go, are we giving our fragrance? Wherever we go, how do we leave this auditorium? You'll find papers, I'm not saying you have to find, but are we finding when we go, the Japanese collect all the papers and put it in the dustbin. This is power, this is Shakti. So when we leave this auditorium, wherever we go, how do we leave it? Power, I'm glad. If you say spick and span, there's a future. Excellent, man. Power. Second is bhakti. Shakti comes from service. Bhakti comes from reducing your ego. Snakes and ladders. The game Snakes and Ladders, I hope everybody knows in America, right? In 1943 it was introduced here. But it is invented in India. What is the significance of Snakes and Ladders? Snakes and ladders is very, very philosophical. In fact, the penultimate number, if you reach on that, you go straight down. If you reach 99, I believe so, check it out, you reach straight down. What does that mean? Those with power, those with money, those with success, be careful. Don't let the ego sting you there, you will come straight down. Bhakti means reduction of ego. Bhakti means there is some higher power. That power which I need to surrender, that power which my mind cannot understand. So bhakti means surrender. And last thing is, we are working for freedom. We are working for equality. That comes via mukti. That comes from the power of our buddhi, intellect. Now mukti, even now, you don't have to get mukti. You can have mukti even as you are working. So Vedanta philosophy, our heritage, our oldest civilization has covered everything possible, and I'm so glad here that we have blessings, blessings and blessings. There are 3 rows here of blessings, blessings, blessings. There is wisdom, there is blessings, there is success. Old age is graceful. Young age is raw. You just saw that. You go through the rawness ultimately to see this graceful function, to see this grace. So when you talk about mukti, it means to use your intellect and understand what every scripture is saying. So human beings as we are, we have Shakti, power of action, Bhakti, power of devotion, reduction of ego, ultimately annihilation, and Mukti, using your intellect to free yourself while you are alive, not dead. Thank you very much. All the best. This is his 3,050,000 photograph. He told us this last time. It's okay? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, so what do you want me to do? Stand here? Yes, please, sir. I should look here, otherwise it will seem as false. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Swamiji. Thank you so much. Every time, he talks, whether it's for 3 minutes, 3 seconds or 3 hours, there is always a very good takeaway, some nuggets that stay with you that, you want to implement in your life to become better and have a better life. Thank you so much, Swamiji. And now, may I please request Dr. Asthana to come on stage once more and make a very strong appeal for funds. Or maybe here itself, yeah.
While Dr. Asthana is coming up, I just want to thank our board member, Dr. Monali Desai, and her husband, Bharadwaj Desai. She has just made a donation for $750. Thank you, Dr. Desai.
Dr. Kunali, thank you very much. Well, I've been told to make an appeal for donations. Just a little fact on the side. We have to raise 30% of the total yearly budget in our mini fundraisers, annual fundraisers. And where does this come from? You all around here. You are the people who are donating the money and trying to keep this association of MAFS, UMass, and IUBW working and behaving. So can I have one person come up who's going to make a donation? No big pressure, come on, just one person. I see Prashant walking away.
Dr. Asthana.
Wow, thank you. Somebody, किसी ने मेरी इज्जत रखी. $101 from Ashok Bank, Mitapapara, and this is Harsha Mitapara. $101 from Balkrish Dholakia, and from Harivardhan Harry Patel and Urmila Patel, $151. Give it up for them. This is fantastic. If you don't have a checkbook on you, we take credit cards too.
Sagar will help you.
We take pledges too. And here is Sagar coming up with a donation. Oh my God. Ritesh Gupta and Rashmi Agarwal. Can anyone make a guess? Wild guess how much this donation is for? How much? We are going way above the bar when you say 5 and 10,000. But these people have donated a massive mammoth of donation of $2,000. Thank you, audience, and thank you, Ritesh Gupta and Rashmi Agarwal, for $2,000. Then we have, oh my God, we have for none other than Mary Thon, the Streamwood trustee, donating $100. Thank you, Mary, and thank you, Streamwood Village. So that's great, really. Okay, I'm going to initiate the $200. I promise. Just to prove that the machine works. So there's $200 on my credit card. We take credit cards. Come on, everybody. I want one credit card board to come up. I see Dibangi coming up with some checks.
Someone else.
From the seniors of Devon Center, there's $1,550. Give it up for them. No, this one. From Dr. Monali and Bharadwaj Desai, it's already been said. Rushina already said that, but 750 only. Here she is. And where is Dr. Bharadwaj? Stand up wherever you are, sir. Right behind her. What a nice... We men folk are always behind our wives, aren't we? Thank you so much, Dr. Monali and Dr. Bharadwaj. It went through? See, the card works. The machine works. Let's have one more card come up. We have a cash donation. We welcome dead presidents on the bills. And right sitting here behind Vandana Jhinganji is Beena Chablani, and she donated $200. As I said, I want one credit card, otherwise I'm not going to get down from here. One credit card. There we go. The smart young man, how much? 200. Mr. Jay Kumar has donated $200 on a credit card. The machine works.
Add an extra zero every
We
once in a
need
while, bro.
donations, come on. I see Wilder pulling up her purse. 300 from? Oh my God. The Secretary General of the board, Mr. James, and his beautiful wife Anne, who is not here, have donated $300. Big round of applause, please. One more credit card. And Imelda eventually gets up from her seat. Wow! Thank you, Imelda. You have been such a backbone to the MAFS and UMass foundations. $500! Give it up for Imelda! This is so awesome. Have you seen any other credit card come up? Sorry? Apple Pay, yes, we'll do it. We'll do Apple Pay, we'll do pledges, we'll do everything possible for you to get the donations home. Scam likely, calling me. Oh, it does. You want to try it again? No, at the annual fundraiser, Samir. That is Samir Saini, the MAFS Board of Directors, one of the members with us. What a great person really, and an awesome singer.
Yeah.
We will tell him to sing at our annual fundraiser. Are you singing here today? Annual fundraiser. Okay, done. And guess who comes up of all people? Usha Kodhari ji from Messenger Suresh Bodiwala, $200. Thank you so much. Now I see the credit cards rolling in. Yes, Prashant, I see you there.
I'll give you 1,000, but
You're pointing your finger at me. So how much should I take a donation from you? You can even have a pledge. That's okay. You won't go away anywhere.
1,000.
$1,000! Yay! Prashant gives $1,000. Wow. Okay, and the younger brother should not be much far away. He is in fact a little over Prashant. From Sagar here, my dear friends, $1,001. Okay, Mrs. Kumar gave a very stern look to Sagar and said, that should have been double. He said, okay, I'll do it 2,000. So another big round of applause for Sagar. And his beautiful wife. Where are you?
In the back, right here.
Dipangi, you are at the back. At least come here and acknowledge that you donated this money, you and your husband donated this money. Thank you, Dipangi. Take your time, a lady is never rushed.
Doctor, it's a picture time, please. Dipangani, beta, go on the stage. Picture
Dipangi,
time.
come on the stage.
Picture time. Prashant, beta, go, please.
Okay, I am requesting for just 2 more cards. I'm done. I'll be away from this place. 2
Doctor,
cards, please.
Doctor,
Any amount. They could be for $10 for all I care. They could be for $10,000 for all I care. No, I care when it's $10,000. So we need 2 more cards. Come on, everyone. This corner has been a little away. There's one from the lady here, so that's fine. $500? 51. Where's the card? Bring it up. As I said, any donation, be it $51, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं ना सर आंखों पर, क्या कहने? Our MAFS members have donated from Schaumburg ADS. Whole staff has donated $375. Mahendra Bhai Patel, driver, has donated $250. Big round of applause. These are the workers who bring our seniors from their homes to our 14 centers in Chicagoland area, and these are the persons who take them back safely and soundly. Whenever I see an MAFS truck pull up on the road, I watch it. I said, buddy, I'm watching you. And more or less, we make eye contact and he says, am I doing okay? And I said, yes, you're doing fine, don't worry. So, Manjuben Patel, $125. Come on, तालियां बजनी चाहिए यार. Jairaj Bhai and Champaben Patel, $125. Total from all seniors, which I just mentioned, is $2,000. Bring it up. I don't know what to say. This check that I hold in my hand, and purposely not showing the front of the check. Make a wild guess how much this is for. Who said 10,000? Jay, you know what's happening, but no. Anybody else making a guess?
1 million.
Anyone else?
3,000.
No. There you go, 10,001. Shuchi takes it. And Jay said 10,000. You beat it. Although it's for 10,000 really, but we'll get the $1. This is from Pramodji and Santosh Kumarji, my dear friend Pramod. Who's up there? Buddy, we are rooting for you. Great guy. So this is from Santoshji and my brother, the late Mr. Pramod Kumar also. So thank you very much everyone. And who's this? Okay, Pramila, his Pramila auntie has donated $100. Big round of applause. Thank you, Pramila ji. Thank you. 500 from the accounting department. They made it. They not only do the fair and square accounting of MAFS, UMS, but they also have taken out $500. So thank you very much, accounting. Thank you. Can I get your name? Zareen, thank you very much. You're representing the accounts department. Anybody else squeezing the money through? From Kathy, $100. Stand up, Kathy. Come on, be recognized. Thank you. Anyone else? Because my doctor advised me not to stand up for more than 15 minutes, honestly and sincerely. So my last appeal, one donation, credit card, check, pledge, anything. Just one more donation, I'm looking all around. This, Prashant, come on. You already did the donation, so I'm just requesting you to be on stage. Izzat Afzahi ke liye shukriya. Shilpa gives $100. Big round of applause for her. From you. From Mr. Mohinder Bedi, $100 cash. Thank you very much, Mohinder ji. Which way are you going home? You got a lot of cash on you. I'll meet you somewhere. So thank you very much everyone. Have a blast of a day and thank you for keeping my reputation intact that I raise some money at times. Thank you.
Thank Thank you so much, Dr. Asthana. That was, thank you for that very, very persuasive appeal. And I have to admit, nobody can make the appeal as well and as interesting as Dr. Asthana. Round of applause for him. Thank you so much. And to each one of you who have donated, thank you really from the bottom of my heart. Because, being the grants person, I can see where every penny is going. It's going to, go for good work. And thank you so much. Any amount, big or small, doesn't matter. Whether it's $1, $10, $51, $5,000, $10,000, amount does not matter. Even the smallest makes a big difference in the lives of our people. So thank you so much. Quickly moving on, we have come to a very, very special segment. We have instituted a Lifetime Achievement Award that we'll be giving out today to a person who has dedicated over 20 years of his life to MAFS. He is the one who actually laid very strong foundations or roots of the public benefits program, especially SEDA program, through which a lot of people get financial help to pay their light and gas bills, and also for the immigration program. The foundations that he laid, the nurturing that he did of the program like his own baby, has today taken such a wonderful shape that we serve annually 4,500 people through that program, through the public benefits program, through the SEDA program, which helps people pay their light and gas bills on an average $500 every month. These very financially weak families save due to the SEDA program. Through the SEDA program alone, 3,000 families actually. 3,000 families across, in Chicago area save money and they strengthen their financial. Thank you, I will take his name right away. At 87, he still has the childlike enthusiasm and passion to work. At times sweet, at times strict, but always very ethical and doing the right thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute honor to be working with him, to be learning from him every day. And I want to invite on stage Mrs. Kumar to give away this award, and Mr. Harish Mahajan. Please, huge round of applause for Mr. Harish Mahajan, who will be getting the Lifetime Achievement Award today. Can we have you on stage, sir?
Coming right there.
Keep the applause coming in, ladies and gentlemen. For us who've been with MAFS, for people who worked with him for over 20-30 years, they know what a great, tremendous amount of value he's added to the organization. He's truly one of the strongest pillars of MAFS. Anybody who wants to join Krishna ji, his better half, always supporting him like a rock? And anybody from Chicago office who would like to join in and honor him, please feel free to come up.
Yes, very, very special. Yeah. Yes. What can I say about this? Rashta has said beautifully. He has a childlike enthusiasm to do the public benefit program, especially SEDA. SEDA, you may not know, is a community development organization who fund for light bill and the heating bill. When the people do not have lights at all and the heat at all when the winter season, and that emergency services is required. So we serve at least 4,500. And this program is a very difficult program. Let me tell you why. Because the government program runs on papers. And our people do not want to keep paper at all. They need bill, they need all their income, evidence, and that we are so poor in giving the evidence. And this gentleman go through such a pain, such an abuse from them, though he is helping, we are helping them. So I don't know how much patience he had. I told him, looking to his age, I will stop this program. He said, no. So I'm continuing because of this gentleman. Immigration, we have many other paralegals and attorneys. We have taken care all the centers. We have 12 centers, and we have people from all the background to help in immigration problems with their children, for their visa, for this or for that. But for SEDA, he is the stalwart. And we are really want to award him, recognize him, and he does voluntarily. He's not a paid person, you have to understand that. And every morning, rain or shine, he is there. His wife, his very dear wife, very active but very sick also. He has to take her to the hospital. He drives by himself, take hospital and bring him right back to home and then come to the office. Right back. No rest, no absent of a single day. Yeah, I mean single day. Not only that, he has taken the burden or a pleasure of taking care of her sister of 90-year-old. Wow. Totally bedridden. 2 sisters, 10 years he served, another sister now, she just passed away, I think last week. But he or she served them in spite of their health and their age. This is such a commendable human beings, both of them. How much we can learn from them. I have no words. I have no words for her and for him. Thank you so much.
Abhishek Kumar and Roshta have spoken so much, and I have no words to say more. The only thing I want to say is, I worked in Middle East, made enough money, so when I came to US, I thought I should do volunteer work and help the low-income people and the immigrants from other parts of the world. Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for giving me such an honor. I am grateful to the board of directors and Mr. Kumar.
I think he deserves a standing ovation. Please.
सारे लोग
अगर करें, क्योंकि पैसे तो बहुत कमाते हैं लोग दूसरे देशों में, इस देशों में, लेकिन देने के लिए कितने लोग तैयार हैं? कितने लोग फ्री सर्विस करने को तैयार हैं? Of the society, please learn something from them.
3 cheers for Mr. Mahajan and Mr. Mahajan. Hip hip!
And now I'd like to request our founder, executive director, somebody all of us love a lot, Dr. Santosh Kumar, to say a few words.
Good afternoon. You know, Prashant has already warned me not too long. I'm not even started yet. I simply want to welcome you and thank you. That's the only thing I have in my agenda, but I cannot go like that. You know that, right? You know, when I started 32 years ago, I had never thought, you know what is my achievement? Anybody can say, anybody can find out. Say anything. What is my best achievement? Huh?
Vedic University.
Again, what is my achievement? Vandana, for you, what is my achievement? That is very much right, Vandana.
My turn.
But it goes beyond that. You know what my services have done? It has created such an interest in the whole society, whole communities to do the senior work. Every nook and corners opening services, thinking they will become famous. Though their thought process is not maybe right, but interest has generated. The senior service has to be done. When I came in this country, everybody was talking about senior services. Every organization, UP organization, Rajasthan organization, Kerala organization, all the Tamil organization, Tana, one, everywhere I went, everybody was talking to do something for the seniors. But nobody has a clue to do anything. And they could not find a way how to do that. But yeah, that's because their intention may not be like me. Because I have jumped it, leaving all my very lucrative business or career and do the service after leaving everything. They want to become famous. They think they have to take this famousness or they have wrong idea that I can make money out of this, which is very wrong. This program, though they are funded by the government, by the county, by the state, but even then it's very insufficient money, very little money. Mary is here, she will tell you, she's from the state or from the village. No village has given money. Maybe sometime 5,000, sometimes 10,000 for a year period. You cannot hire any person because these services required a very qualified person. Do you think I can hire Roshita for a $10,000 per year? Radhika, $10,000 per year? How is possible? These services required a very high qualified person who knows English very well, who knows laws, and who can fight for them in the government offices. That was skill you need, and you should drive by your own petrol or your own gas. That is the service you require. People have make services name by collecting themselves for 50 after 15 days, one day after a month or something, and they want to say that we are doing service. They are not service. This is the service which we provide at least 40 programs for them, day and day out, 365 days a year. No Holi, no Diwali, no Christmas, we are no holidays for the home care program for electric. And for food program. You know, it's such a country like, rich country like America. Koi even person can think we do not have food here for people at home. How? You cannot even imagine. This country has no food for people. Nobody has cooked. Daughter-in-laws, daughters, they are out. Either they are studying or they are working in the daytime. They have no time to cook for the parents, like back home you have. So I found a very, very difficult situation in this country for family members even, seniors. COVID has totally thrown whole world. Whole world is totally thrown. But my staff, I owe to my staff, to my cooks, to my drivers, and my managers who took risk on their lives, and they came daily to cook for them, pack for them, deliver for them. 60,000 meals in 2 months. At that time, we have given to everybody, though they are our member or not member, we have given, opened the door for everybody who can ask for us, call us, we will send the food. And you know what is the more important? That is the only face of our drivers, the only face they have seen. Because their own children could not come. Their own grandchildren could not come. Because they are restricted not to see their parents, otherwise they will sick or they will die. So our driver, when they go to the door, they knock the door and get back 6 feet and put the food there, but then see the face. Somebody is there. And my adult daycare, all the staff members, they connected through Zoom to them and kept their moral high, kept their depression away from them. Hope, they have given hope and hope and hope, and they have an entertainment program so they can feel happy about this. All the 3 months when they are completely locked down and no face they could see, but they could see our people. So that is the strength of MFS, Roshita. which has given to the people. Thank you. Thank you so much. And the donation whosoever given, thank you so much. And you understand this each cent, as Rosha said, will be used for the filling the gap of the grant. Without that, we cannot continue even. We have to promise the funders, yes, we will raise the fund and we will match you the gap. And that is the continuation for that. Thank you so much. Now I will talk a little about the Asian Heritage Celebration and this month. You know, this country definitely recognizes Asians because the Asians is the big number in this country. And in the Asian, the Indians are the biggest part of the Asian population. And you know, to your surprise, the American ambassador has recently made a video. In that video, he was appointed to India on 11th May 2023, and now it is 17th May 2023. So 13th May, he has celebrated Asian Heritage Month in America. They have in India, American Embassy. And he made the video. And you know what he says to the qualifications of the Asian and the strength of Asian. You got 54% of Indian American are holding the position in the 500 companies. And you know, previously it was a joke. You cannot be CEO if you are Indian. Now the joke is, you cannot be CEO if you are not Indian. So how the time has shifted. Time has shifted in 1 year. And you know how much business we have done? $200 billion of exchange of trade has been done through India and America. The mango has come from India and the almonds has gone from America. Can you believe this? So 500 fortune companies, mostly at least more than 1 out of 10 is an Indian American. I think it's the most median income people. So we contributed to the country wherever we go. So my message to all American, if you are here, wherever any Asian or especially Indian goes, they serve the country, they do everything peacefully, lovingly, and with a thankful attitude, with a gratitude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we have another celebration also, and we have a very special senior person in our organization, in Chicago, again from Chicago, Dr. Nazir Ahmed Khan. We want to recognize him for his beautiful services he does. He is a doctor by profession, MD. His wife was also, she's here, she's also a doctor. Mrs. Khan has come? Oh, son is here. Oh, wow, proud son. We are very proud of your father. He has given his medical knowledge for the betterment of our seniors, how to keep healthy, how to keep healthy their kidney, their heart, their everything. Yeah.
Request all the board members to please join in. Mr. Mohammed, we are really running late on time. We have two very reputed, renowned Bengali artists. They will be performing a classical musical performance for us. They are waiting for us. So, we might have to cut a few things, but we'll retain the performances. So whoever is performing next, Vernon Hills, yeah, I think they are ready. So we will quickly, maybe you can come on stage, take your positions. And the theme of this dance is, it's a traditional Rajasthani dance. And meanwhile, I'll also announce the participants' names: Sushma Singh, Ashruti Parekh, Sheila Shah, Madhur Mathur, and Anjana Soni. Huge round of applause for them, everybody, please. And after this, we will have Chicago's performance, Chicago Center.
So Chicago seniors are next, Schaumburg seniors after them, and Naperville seniors. If you can all start getting ready, one after the other. That was awesome. I love those costumes. Next up, we're going to have the Chicago seniors, and their performance theme is Generations Unite. I can see a little one climbing up, so I know what the theme is. Participants are Neera Kaura, Sadhna Vaish, Nalini Dave, Shah Sultan, Charanya, Kalpana Desai, Jaya Patel, Ramila Gandhi, Nutan Bala Chauhan, Tasneem Shaista, and Nidhi Grover.
Nothing, Dadi. I'm learning some new dance steps.
Okay. मुझे भी दिखाओ.
Oh, Dadi, you can't handle this beat.
Oh, really? ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. Challenge कर रहे हो आप मुझे?
Yes, I'm challenging you. Okay then, prove it.
रुको अभी. मैं अभी अपने नए युमास के फ्रेंड्स को बुलाती हूँ.
Come on, girls. Let's show it to him. That we can also match the beat. Come on, everyone. Take position and music.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think all of you come in for a picture. Come forward for a picture. What a wonderful, wonderful performance. And the intergenerational love and bonding and sometimes the differences, everything showed so beautifully. I always feel that the intergenerational relationships become so much more meaningful here in the US. Because in India we take it for granted, right? But here it is so hard to build these relationships. And all the grandparents out there, please know your children, your grandkids love you a lot, right? Beautiful, beautiful performance. I almost started dancing. Thank you for choosing a peppy number. Beautiful. Lovely. Now we'll quickly move on to the next performance, and that is from our Schaumburg seniors. Again, a very energetic bunch of people. And the theme for their performance is True Beauty Starts at 70. Yeah, and the participants are Gandhi Bharti, Kansara Daksha, Ila Patel, Ramila Patel, Kailash Patel, Shakuntala Patel, Deena Shah, Dharmishta Shah, Saroj Topiwala and Nirmala Topiwala. On to the stage please, come on. I love their costumes, wonderful.
With it, girl, rock with it, girl, show them it, girl, with a bang bang, bounce with it, girl, dance with it, girl, get with it, girl, with a bang bang. Come on, turn the radio on, it's Friday night, and I won't be long, gotta do my hair, put my makeup on, it's Friday night, and I won't be long, till I hit the dance floor. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Just you, baby. I don't need your love, you don't take my heart tonight. Baby, I don't need your love, you don't take my heart tonight. I don't need no love, as long as I can feel love. I don't need no love, as long as I can
Hello, picture time. Hello.
Okay, who thought
Hello.
that seniors could only dance to bhajans in traditional style? We have your example right here. It was Sia. They performed to a Sia song. And thank you to Vaishali Patel, Mithil Patel for your choreography, direction. I'm going to introduce the last performance of the afternoon. And forgive me if I'm a little partial. I'm a Nepavilan for the last 24 years. And this is my crew that's coming up next. So, Nepavil has their theme, Senior Ki Umang, Metro Ki Sang. Performers are Mohinder Bedi, Manju Checker, Manju Kalra, Santosh Sharma, Rajinder Dugal, Ramesh Gupta, Himadri Vaishnav, Neela Advyaryu, Preeti Majmundar, Meena Kadakia, Anjana Shah, Jyoti Kak, Rajdhal, Jayashri Sampath, Razia Tinwala, Savita Vech, Madhu Soni, Parul Shah. Choreography is by Parul Shah, singing Nitin Desai, production, direction and everything Deepti Shah, and there is a little speech in between by our beloved Manju Kalra. Let's go, Nepavil.
Come on, Nepavil! Let me see you!
नमस्ते जी। हाँ जी, मैं अभी आई हूँ क्योंकि आए तो मेरे को बहुत दिन हो गए हैं। बेटे के पास रहती हूँ पर घर में ना मन नहीं लगता, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा मैं गार्डन में जाके बैठ जाती हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मोहिंदर है जी। आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम मीनू है।
बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके।
हेलो मंजू, आज तो आप अपने साथ एक फ्रेंड को भी लेके आए हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। नमस्ते।
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते जी।
ये महिंदर है, अपने बेटे के पास आई है। वो कह रही है मेरा मन नहीं लगता, तो अब आप।
नमस्ते जी, आपका क्या नाम है जी?
मेरा नाम मंजू चक्कर है।
बहुत अच्छा लगा दोनों से मिलकर मेरे को तो।
हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
मेरे को एक बात आपसे मंजू से पूछनी थी कि आप अपना समय कैसे बिताती हैं?
मैं तो बहुत मस्त रहती हूँ, वॉक करती हूँ, योगा करती हूँ, घर के काम करती हूँ। मैं अपना बहुत बिजी रहती हूँ।
ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, पर मैं तो समय नहीं बिता सकती। अभी ये बहन जी से पूछती हूँ, आप कैसे समय निकालते हो?
अरे मेरी तो क्या पूछिए, यहाँ एक बहुत अच्छा सीनियर सेंटर है, जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ उसकी कोई मिसाल नहीं।
सही? अच्छा।
उसकी क्या तारीफ करें, उसकी कोई मिसाल नहीं है। वहाँ हम लोग जाते हैं, हम लोगों के हिसाब से वहाँ सारे प्रोग्राम बनाए जाते हैं। हमारा दिन वहाँ पर प्रेयर से शुरू होने के बाद हम लोगों को योगा एंड एक्सरसाइज कराई जाती है। उसके बाद फिर हम लोगों को गेम्स खिलाया जाता है।
ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
टाइम पास
मंजू जी, मैं एक बात आपसे पूछती हूँ कि हम दोनों को आप लेके जा सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल लेके जाएंगे, आपको लेके जाए।
मेरी बात का जवाब दो, वहाँ पर खाने का क्या होता है?
ये देखिए, खाने की चिंता है वहाँ पर हेल्दी, फ्रेश एंड हॉट ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच दोनों सर्व किया जाता है, और जो लोग सर्व करते हैं उनकी मुस्कान का उसमें तड़का होता है।
अच्छा मंजू जी, जब भी आप जाओगे हमें ले जाइए। आप मुझसे पूछिए कि हम कब आ सकते हैं, फिर हमें अपने साथ लेके जाना।
अच्छा लगेगा।
हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम तो खुद एंजॉय करेंगे, बोर नहीं होंगे।
बिल्कुल लेके जाएंगे, और इतने बड़े फ्रेंड सर्कल में आपकी भी गिनती शामिल कर देंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
जैसे मेहरबान का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
आवाज आ रही है? हाँ जी, सभी को नमस्ते। मैं ना जब पहले आई थी आपने देखा था वॉकर से चलती थी, वॉकर के बिना मैं चल नहीं सकती थी, लेकिन यहाँ मैं आई 1 साल में मेरी इतना बदलाव आ गया। मंजू जी ने जो कहा वो सही कहा कि यहाँ पर बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है, बहुत केयर करी जाती है। उसकी बदौलत आज मैं आपके सामने बिना वॉकर के डांस कर रही हूं।
ये सारा माहौल देखकर मेरे मन में ऐसे भाव आए मैडम के प्रति और हमारे यूनिवर्सल मेट्रो के प्रति, जो मैं अपने भावों को प्रकट कर रही हूँ। बड़ी मुद्दत से सेहरा में फूल खिलते हैं और बड़ी मुश्किल से जहान में आप जैसे इंसान, बहुत मुश्किल से जहां में आप जैसे इंसान दूर भाग जाते हैं निराशा के अंधेरे, और मुरझाया बुढ़ापा भी खिल उठता है, मुरझाया बुढ़ापा भी खिल उठता है जब जिंदगी के आसमान में आप जैसे सितारे और आप जैसे मैडम आशा के दीप जलाते हैं, तो हमारा मुरझाया बुढ़ापा भी खिल उठता है। कर्तव्य और व्यवहार की तस्वीर है आप, खुशियां बांटने वाली एक तकदीर है आप मैडम, खुशियां बांटने वाली तकदीर है आप, संस्कृति और सभ्यता की मिसाल है आप, संस्कृति और सभ्यता की, क्योंकि संस्कृति और सभ्यता को मिसाल देखें यहाँ पर अलाइव रखना, संस्कृति और सभ्यता की मिसाल है आप, और नारी, आदर्श नारी और माँ के रूप में कमाल है, आदर्श नारी। आगे स्नेह और ममता की मूर्त है आप, अंदर और बाहर से भी बहुत खूबसूरत है आप। हमारे सारे यूनिवर्सल मेट्रो के स्टाफ और हम सब सीनियर्स की तरफ से आप सबको तहे दिल से शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर आपको सदैव सपरिवार स्वस्थ व प्रसन्न रखे। मैडम आप लोग सब स्वस्थ रहेंगे तो हम सब स्वस्थ रहेंगे। नमस्ते जी सबको।
Wow, that was amazing. You just witnessed a whole production happening here. There were flower pots flying, placards.
सेंटर में सब कुछ है, क्या दुनिया क्या बैसाखी, साफ हो या सिंगल, होली या दिवाली, सेंटर में सब कुछ है, क्या दुनिया क्या बैसाखी। सुन 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 अरे सिंह सुन, इस मेट्रो में बड़े बड़े पुल, सुन 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 अरे सिंह सुन, इस मेट्रो में बड़े बड़े पुल, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना आजमाए, मेट्रो में आ जाए, 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 मेट्रो में आ जाए। Thank you so much, thank you.
No, one more time, say something. Make some noise! Make some noise! Make some noise! Make some noise!